The fourth step. Here, our target is to recognize, identify specific factors may affect to the major causes. You have to encourage your team members to recognize, to identify, rectify the causes, sub causes as much as possible. Then after that, you have to fill in detail for each cause. Don't forget, fill in detail of the cause means don't forget if a minor cause applies to more than one major cause. It can be put into the not only one major cause, it can put into the two or more major causes. List down each cause. Here our target is to identify more detailed levels of causes and continue organizing them under the related cause or category. For that, we can use YY method, in other words, 5Y methods. I am not going to explain 5Y or YY method. I have added supplementary document, PowerPoint presentation for that purpose. You can go through and recognize what it is. However, simply I can say this is the way of going in depth of the issue. To recognize real cause behind it. So you have to recognize real causes. You have to answer, you have to give solution to the real cause. That's why we are highly suggest to find in-depth issues by using 5-5 method. General understanding, general belief is if you ask 5 questions continuously, then you can find the real cause of the issue. Students, here you can see how that so-called 5Y or YY method has applied to that our diagram, cause and effect diagram. Here as an example, I have taken only the materials. Here, what are the main causes that we have recognized? First one is improper lubricants and second one is wrong octane level. Those are the causes for low kilometers per liter, right? Then when we are going, they have used YY method to go in depth of the issues. As example, if we take that wrong octane, they can check in this way. In our example, recognize effect is poor kilometers per hour of our particular vehicle. Under that, one main cause is materials. When we are going to in depth of that, we have recognized two issues that we can categorize under the materials. Those are, one is improper lubricants, second one is wrong octane level of fuel. Okay, here you can see YY method. I have used YY method to go in depth of that issue. In this slide, you can see how that YY method has applied. First question was, why was wrong octane fuel used? The given answer, don't know the recommended octane. Then, why wasn't the recommended octane known? That is the second question. The answer is no on a manual. In other words, if we can provide a user manual to the owner, vehicle owner, then we can automatically increase the level of fuel consumption. In our example, dear students, under this final diagram, you can see our final output. Here, after YY method, it has recognized three main causes. What are those? Poor design of the vehicle, no user manual, and no owner manuals. This is the final step. Analyze the diagram. Analyze the diagram. It helps to identify causes, main causes that require further investigation. That means for that sometimes we have to use Pareto diagram to get more to do a more investigation on it. The diagram is a tool that is useful to identify and organizing the known or possible causes of quality or the lack of it. The structure provided by the diagram helps team members, your quality circle members to think in a very systematic way. Some of the benefit of constructing cause and effect diagrams are it's help to determine the root causes of a problem or quality characteristics using a structured approach. The second one is it's encourage group participation. It is very much important if you are going to run quality circles, interdepartmental teams. It encourages group participation and utilize group knowledge to the process. Third one, it used orderly, easy to read format to diagram cause and effect relationships. Indicate possible causes of variation in the process. It's increase the knowledge of the process by helping everyone. It's helping everyone to learn more about the factors at work and how they relate each other. Finally, it's help to identify areas where data should be collected in further study.